sample MOBs for Teacher 2 and COI. So ito po ang nahanap kong mga sample MOBs based po sa ating mga previous IPCRF. So ulitin ko po, ito po ay galing doon, hindi po ito officially released by DepEd. Ito po ay kinuha ko based doon sa ating pong mga IPCRF. For Teacher 2, ito po yung unang indicator, 4.3.2. Ano po? So ito ang Adapt and Implement Learning Programs. At ito naman po yung mga sample MOBs. So pwede po kayo mag-prepare ng proof of implementation of learning programs. Example is progress report, proof of contextualization and localization, proof of adaptation of learning programs. Number 4, action plan activity proposal. So dito po kung meron kayong sariling learning programs, pwede nyo pong i-attach. At kung hindi naman po, pwede kayong mag-adapt from other person na kanila pong mga learning programs at mag-annotate na lamang po kayo. So ito naman po ang ating pangalawang indicator sa Teacher 2. Utilize assessment data to inform the modification of teaching and learning practices. So ito po yung mga sample. To utilize the assessment data, so kailangan daw natin ng list of identified least and most mastered skills based on the frequency of errors. So yung pong ating assessment, magbabigay tayo ng mga intervention, accomplishment report, at kung paano nyo po ginawa yung or ginamit yung anyong assessment. Kung meron bang kailangan ng remediation, pwede na po yun sa annotation at lalagyan nyo po siya ng intervention program or materials. Ano po? Tingnan nyo po itong mga means of verification kung paano po may-utilize yung assessment data natin. Ano po? So ano ba yung ginawa ninyo? Ano ba yung ginawa ninyo para ma-address yung pong result ng assessment? Ano po? So yan po ang tatlong pwedeng maging MOB or pwede nyong i-attach. Ito naman po ang pangatlong indicator, 6.2.2. Build relationship with the parents, guardians, and wider community to facilitate involvement in the educative process. So ito naman po ang ating bibigyan ng MOB at ito po yung mga sample MOB natin. So napakadali lang nito. Proof of participation in any highlighting the objective. Yan po yung 4. Parent-teacher log or proof of other stakeholders meeting. So any form of communication. So yan po. Ito naman po yung pang-4. Comply with the implement school policies, procedures, consistency to foster harmonious relationship with learners, parents, and other stakeholders. Ito naman po yung mga sample nating MOB dito. Yung sample natin ay proof of communication about an implemented school policy, minutes of parent-teacher conference, meeting about the policy, school policy, and proof of participation, involvement, and community partnership. Then, accomplishment report. So, pwede kayong mag-attach o mag-annotate na lamang po kayo. Ano po? So, yung last, so ito po yung participate in professional networks to share knowledge and to enhance practice. So, ito po yung pang-4 natin. At ito naman po yung mga sample MOB natin. Sa ating pong sample, meron tayong certificate of completion in a course, certificate of participation in a webinar, certificate of recognition, speakership, and any proof of participation. At pwede kayong maglagay ng school lock session, ano po, certified by lock coordinators, and others, pwede kayong mag-annotate. So ulitin ko po, ito po ay based doon sa mga dati nating IPCRF na ina-attach natin. Kaya